Tap shoes.
Get your
It's
slippers.
already been a year?
Tap shoes.
No,
Is
it's
it
that
really?
Oh, ballet slippers? Here.
Yeah.
Here's your ballet
That's
slippers.
you know, I've been
And here's
elected for a
ballet
year.
slippers for her sister.
It's Alexa's last name.
Oh, and I got some now
I
too.
can't believe it's a year, Ruth.
Maria.
It was like yesterday.
Oh, I'm busy catching up on my